YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Gariano, Certified Zentangle Teacher. Today is day 14 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Icanthis by Zentangle. It's an official tangle. And this is such a beautiful organic tangle that fills up a space quickly. And it's just fun, quick tangle. So this is this one's gonna start with a long stem, so I'm gonna try to take from corner to corner because it's such a small piece of paper, maybe a little off corner to take up more space of this tile. And then from here you're going to add some stems. These are not too close to each other. You want to have enough space in between, like this. And then on each stem, you're going to add a little cap. Like this. Perhaps some are bigger, some are smaller. The organic tangles that kind of goes like different directions, different shape. Like this. And then you're going to add a little U shape or a little V shape in between these two stems. And don't worry too much about where everything else is, but you want to bring this U shape or V shape close to the stem, because this is well, I'm going to show you. So then you're going to connect at the edge of, or the end of this line and end of this line. It's kind of like a random zigzag line. So what it does is this U-shape line is going to force you to bring your line back close to the stem each time. Because without this little U line, let's say if you're trying to connect this and this, you may just connect like this and it's going to be a completely different shape, which I think is beautiful, but I think this U line is going to kind of sort of gently guide you back to the main stem. Not fun. And then at the end, you can bring down like this, or you can continue to the edge. Such a fun tangle that goes pretty quickly. And if you want, you can add a little kind of a bend or fold on your leaf. It's gonna add just a little bit of dimension. If you want to add more texture, you can add a little more like veins, like you see in real plants. This is extra, but so when you, especially if you draw just this tangle or in a big space, it may feel like this looks too flat. Then you can add just a little bit of texture like this, and then gonna add a little bit of a white on the fold, because sometimes you know how the front and the back side of the leaves are little different colors. So this is gonna create a little bit of a folded look. And now just gently go over this initial stems. Just soften them a little bit. Oh, isn't that pretty? And this takes up such a big space pretty quickly. And I think just like I was doing with like other organic tangle, like these ones, I'm gonna create a border to finish up this tangle. But also, this is such a lovely name, Icanthis. You know, it's such a positive name. We often said, oh, I can't do that, or I cannot do this, but hey, I can this, I can do this, you can do this, anything is possible one stroke at a time. It's such a, this tangle name, Icanthis, feels like embodies the Zentangle philosophy of you can do anything. You can do anything one stroke at a time. Sorry. So I'm gonna add my chop right here. Thank you for watching. This was day 14. I'm sorry, day 13 of Inktober, and I will see you tomorrow for day 14. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.